Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Samsung Galaxy J17 Prime, Samsung's latest addition to its budget-friendly J series lineup. Packed with a sleek design, an improved camera system, and solid day-to-day performance, this phone is aimed at users who want a stylish device without breaking the bank. So, is it worth your money in 2025? Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the Galaxy J17 Prime feels premium for a budget device. It features a 6.6-inch FHD+ PLS LCD display with a punch-hole selfie camera in the center. The bezels are slim, and the matte finish polycarbonate back gives it a clean, modern look. Despite the plastic build, it feels sturdy in hand and surprisingly lightweight. The display is bright and color accurate, though not AMOLED. Still, for this price point, it's great for watching videos, casual gaming, and scrolling social media. Under the hood, the J17 Prime is powered by the Exynos 1380 processor paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage, expandable via microSD. Performance is solid for daily tasks whether you're browsing, multitasking, or running lighter apps. You can even game on medium settings with minimal lag. It runs on One UI 6.1 core based on Android 14, and Samsung has optimized it well. You get features like Samsung Knox, Dual Messenger, and even a secure folder for privacy. The Galaxy J17 Prime features a triple rear camera setup, 0.5 MP main sensor, 2 MP macro, 0.2 MP depth sensor. The main camera takes decent photos in daylight with good detail and dynamic range. Portrait shots have improved edge detection, and low light performance is acceptable with night mode, though not amazing. On the front, there's an 8 MP selfie camera that does a good job for video calls and casual selfies. Video recording maxes out at 1080p at 30 fps, and the electronic stabilization helps reduce minor shakes. With a 5000 mAh battery, the J17 Prime easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy use. Whether you're on data, Wi-Fi, or watching videos, it handles it well. It supports to 5W fast charging, which gets you from 0 to 100% in just over an hour and a half. Other features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, and dual SIM support. It also supports for LTE, though number 5G on this model. To wrap it up, the Samsung Galaxy J17 Prime is a reliable, good-looking budget smartphone with a solid display, all-day battery life, and a decent camera for its price. It's perfect for students, casual users, or anyone wanting a Samsung phone without the flagship cost. If you're on a tight budget but want quality and software support from a trusted brand, the Galaxy J17 Prime is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below.